Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account. Blocked account on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings, and above you will search about Tinder and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.